My name? Anna. I was just 20 years old when I met John. He wasn't anything extraordinary, you know? Just a simple, kind man. But somehow, we fell deeply in love. Every day we'd meet, talk about, dreams, you know? Our future. It felt perfect. But then one day, everything just fell apart. We argued. I mean, it wasn't even something big, just a misunderstanding. But after that, he stopped meeting me. I waited for him. Days turned into weeks, but he never came back. And then, oh God, a few weeks later, I found out I was pregnant. I can't explain how I felt. Scared? Confused? Both, maybe. I wrote to him. To tell him, thinking, maybe he'd care? But no. He didn't even reply. Time passed, and I gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. She was my everything. But, life wasn't kind to her. She was born with a serious illness. The treatment, it was so expensive. I didn't have a proper job. My parents tried to help, but, you know, it wasn't enough. So, I reached out to John again. Not because I hated him or anything. I just needed him to step up, you know, to care for his own daughter. At first, he refused. But after a while, he agreed to send $100 a month. Now, don't get me wrong. I was grateful, but $100? It didn't even cover a fraction of what my baby needed. Still, I just kept going. What choice did I have? Then, one day, I saw his picture on the internet, and, oh my God, John was a millionaire now. Famous even. He had this picture-perfect life. A wife, kids, luxury cars, a mansion. I couldn't believe it. Meanwhile, my daughter, she was suffering. I reached out to him again, begged him even. But this time, he blocked me. That broke me. I couldn't stay silent anymore. I shared my story with the public. Told everyone the truth. That John was, my daughter's father. That he'd only ever sent $100 a month. People, they were shocked. They couldn't believe it. The John they admired, he ignored his own child. His reputation? Oh, it went downhill fast. But, not everyone was on my side. Some people, they said, "Oh, now you're speaking up? Is it because he's rich?" Those words, they hurt. A lot. But my fight wasn't about revenge. It was for my daughter. Still, nothing changed. So I gave up. 2 years later, I met someone. Mark, he was different. He loved me. He loved my daughter as his own. We got married and built a happy family. Life, it was finally getting better. Then, out of nowhere, John contacted me. He said he wanted to meet his daughter. I didn't know what to say, but Mark, he supported me. So we met at a park. John was there, waiting, with toys, gifts. He, hugged our daughter, and he cried. "I'm sorry," he said. "I was wrong. I want to. Make things right." He gave us a car, a house, even money for her medical treatments. He promised to always be there for her now. And he kept his word. Over time, his wife, she even reached out to me. She said, "Thank you for giving John another chance. Your daughter, she's changed him." And you know what? She was right. Life, it's not perfect, but it's better. My daughter, she's happy now. And that's all that matters. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.